Hello friend, welcome to Rajni 007 Maths tutorial, and today I'm going to discuss on count of triangle part 2. Part 1 I already discussed, you will get the link in my description box, and if you want you can check it there. So today for part 2 I'm again going to take some 4-5 question. Let's see, this is my first question to count. How many triangles are there in the following figure? In this diagram, how many triangles are there? Four answers are also there. So we have to count how many triangles are there for this diagram. I already made this diagram, and what is our first step? First step I told you to first label the diagram. First we will label the diagram. We see E, F, G, H, I, J. Labeling is done. Now what is the first step? First step is the labeling. Second step, we will count simple triangle. First we will count the simple triangle. In this triangle, how many simple triangle are there? We will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are total 12 simple triangles are there. Now after that, we will look for triangle composed of two component. Triangle composed of two component. तो टू कंपोनेंट से मिला हुआ ट्रायंगल कितने हैं वो देखेंगे हम. तो मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था आपको, इफ़ यू गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ फिगर with cross multiplication like this, then in this figure, only in this figure, four simple triangles are there. Four triangle composed of two components. It means here they are composed of two components. How many triangle are there? Four. In this also four. 4 plus 4 8. After that this one 9 and this one 10. So triangle composed of two component is, in this figure, is 10. Now triangle composed of थ्री कंपोनेंट. अब हमें देखना है कि थ्री कंपोनेंट का कितना ट्रायंगल बन रहा है. So let's count for three component. We will count it. Then you can see this one A, B, H. The 1, 2, 3. This is made of three component. A, B, H 1, G, C, D 2. Similarly below G, E, D 3 and A, F, H 4. So triangle composed of three components are in 4 in number. Now three component over, we will look for triangle composed of four component. You can see four components का आपका triangle है यहाँ पे B, H, F 1, 2, 3, 4. देर आर फोर components से बना हुआ triangle है B, H, F. Similarly C, G, E. तो देर आर total 2. फोर components से 2 है आपका है. I think three component, four component over. Number of triangle is over because after that triangle is not possible. Now we will count the total. The total triangle is 12 plus 10 plus 4 plus 2. So 10 6, so it will come total 28. So in this figure there are total 28 triangles. So I can see, you can see C answer will be the right answer. So let's move to next question. Some more question like this. Now I am taking the question number 20. Count the number of triangle in the following figure. So this is our diagram and we have to count the number of triangle in this figure. So I already made the diagram in the paper. Now we will label it and do the question. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Round leveling have done. Now we will count the simple triangle. First step over, the simple triangle हम count करेंगे friends. In this figure, how many simple triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 are there. A triangle composed of two components. Triangle composed of two components. कितना होगा? I am writing in the short form only. Triangle composed of two components हमें count करना है. तो वो कितने हैं? तो चलिए start करते हैं. This one, right? And what I told you, if you get this kind of diagram, in this diagram, how many total triangle are there composed of two components? 4, which I already discussed in my previous video. If you want to go in detail, you can check my previous video. So here we will get 4. So now again start counting. Here we get 1, AHG1. Here we will get 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Then here we are getting again 6. Here again we will get 4. So 6 plus 4, 10. And here it's coming 11. So there are total 11 triangle composed of two components. I hope it's clear. Here 1, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, and this is 11. The triangle composed of two components is 11. Now we will see for three components not possible. Yes, 4 components is there. The triangle composed of 4 components. I am writing in the short form. Triangle composed of 4 components. There are 4 simple triangle. Let's see how many are there. A, G, B. You can see here 1. This is made of 4 components. A, B, G. I am writing just A, B, G. Similarly, B, C, G. Then E, C, B. This one and last one C, E, D. Right? The triangle composed of 4 components will get 4 number. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I think triangle composed of 4 component over. After that, all the process is completed. 5, no, it's not possible with 5. So this is the one we got our number of triangle. Now total triangle will be 14 plus 11 plus 4. So 14 plus 11 plus 4, we will get 29 triangles. In this figure, there are total 29 triangles. इस फिगर में टोटल 29 फिगर है. सेम रूल है, बस आपको करना है लेबल कीजिए डायग्राम को. लेबल करने के बाद सिंपल ट्रायंगल काउंट कीजिए. सिंपल ट्रायंगल के बाद से ट्रायंगल कंपोज ऑफ 2 कंपोनेंट 3, 4. अर्लियर यू आर गेटिंग ट्रायंगल, जस्ट सी इट in which component you are getting and count that number. That will be very easy to. So for this we got the answer 29. Now we will take the question from this one. How many triangle are there in the following figure, this diagram, and this also, these 2 questions and more I am going to solve it. So friend, this is the third question which I already done in the copy, and I already label it. First what we will do, we count the simple triangle. So how many simple triangle are there in the figure? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 are there. And now we will search for triangle composed of 2 components. The triangle composed of 2 components, who are they? AFC. I can write just the name AFC, CFB, ABD, BAE. Total 4 numbers are there. AFC, CFB, ABD, and the last one is BAE. Now we will go for triangle composed of 3 कंपोनेंट. 3 कंपोनेंट से बना हुआ ट्राइंगल देखेंगे तो आप देख सकते हैं ADC. दिस इज मेड ऑफ 3 कंपोनेंट ADC and BEC. This is also this one and this one. These 2 triangle are only which is made of 3 component. After that the bigger one ABC, which is made of 1 to 5 components. The triangle composed of 5 components is A, B, C. 4 components are possible नहीं है. So now the over 5 component we got the ABC one only. तो total number of triangle क्या हो जाएगा? Total triangle will be 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. After adding we will get 12. So friend, in this figure total 12 triangles are there. Now let's move to next question. So this is the last question which I am going to take. Count the number of triangle in the given below this diagram, and these all are the answer. So let's going to make this diagram in this copy. So now friend, I already made the diagram in the page. Already label it. You can see A, B, C, D. Then from E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. So now the labeling has done. Now we will count the simple triangle. In this figure you can see how many simple triangles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total 8 simple triangles are there. Now we will look for triangle composed of 2 components. How many triangle composed of 2 components? So we will see A, D, J. This one ADJ one component. This is made of 2 components. AGB. Similarly, I can write the name so it will clear. ADJ, ABJ. After that AKL. You can see AKL is also made of 2 components. Then BCD. Oh, this one 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th. There are total 4 triangle made of 2 components. Now you look for the triangle made composed of 3 components. You can see ADC. This is made of 3 components. ADC, similarly ABC. I think triangle composed of 3 components is only 2. Here it's 1 and 2. The 2 are there. Now only triangle. Now you can see bigger one ADB. ADB. It is made of 4 components. Only one triangle. The triangle composed of 4 components is only 1. So now we will count our total triangle. Our total triangle is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. The 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. After adding we will get 15. 15. Then this figure there are total 15 triangle is there. The total 4 question I discussed today, friends. You can see total 4 question I have discussed. Total 4 question I have discussed today. You can see here this one and this 2 question and this question and this question. So hope you like the video. If you like it, please like my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get more math video like this. And this is the counting of triangle part 2. In part 3 I will try to come up with more complex figure, and how to solve that complex figure, how to count triangle, we will solve that. So thanks for watching.